How to stop sneezing fits or attacks. Take the help from ginger. Ginger is the vital gift of natural that can be useful to treat numerous health problems. It is one of the most effective and oldest remedy to stop sneezing fits or attack. Take a fresh ginger piece, wash it, peel it and then crush the ginger root. Put the crushed ginger root onto a clean piece of cloth and press it to extract the juice. Extract at least 1–2 teaspoons of ginger juice and have it twice a day. Steam to stop a sneeze. Take water in a medium-sized bowl and bring it to boil on medium flame. Boil water until steam started coming out of the water. Place the bowl on an even surface. Take a towel to isolate the surrounding. Tilt face at a safe distance such that you are able to inhale the steam. Use a towel your face and bowl so that you can take steam easily. You can repeat this twice a day, in the early morning and at night before going to sleep. Garlic has power to fight out bacteria, virus and allergies causing sneezing. Take 4 or 5 garlic cloves and make a paste in a small bowl by crushing it. Inhale the smell of the paste that comes out due to the crushing of garlic cloves. By smelling the paste, the mucus or toxin in the nasal passage will get clear off, and then you will able to control sneezing. Fenugreek seeds also have some excellent properties to stop sneezing. Take water in a medium-sized bowl and add 2–3 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds to it. Bring it to boil on a medium flame and then wait till water remains half of its original quantity. Strain and then drink the medium hot water in sips. Repeat 2–3 times a day. Apple cider vinegar can help you to stop sneezing fits and attack due to its acetic acid content. Take water in a bowl and put it on the medium flame to make it warm. To this warm water, add 2–3 teaspoons of unfiltered organic vinegar. Also, mix 1 teaspoon of honey and lemon juice to the solution. Drink this solution at least 3 times in a day and keep drinking it until you feel better. The solution will